Hi, my name is Jamie. I'm from Malaysia. I came because I was interested in, just knowing more about IELTS because you need IELTS certification to apply for a work and holiday visa in Australia. And I found Sir Douglas's explanations very, for one, entertaining and engaging, but also they kept us they kept straight to the point, and they were all very, I find, useful tips. And actually, I found that he let us undergo a trial exam of sorts. In the moment was actually very like, oh, cool. All of the stuff that you learned like in the past 2 hours, you're going to apply them now. This is very short, 10 to 20 minutes. And I found that very nice actually. It's obviously you get to retain a lot more information that way by getting to feel it in the moment. And I found the workshop very nice actually. I would love to attend more workshops pertaining to the other sections of the IELTS exam in the future. Thank you very much, Erican.